Hi. What are you doing? You froggy. What are you doing? Don't run over his feet. How are you eating Mama's leg? Are you going to stand up? Gotta go see Hudson. Quick as I can. Watch out for his toes, please, Hudson. Watch out, Hudson, Hudson. Careful. Careful his toes. Oh. Watch out, please. He's gonna learn. You run over them like that. He didn't even cry. My goodness. Brody, where are you going? Where are you going, Brody? It's bedtime. Come on. He's running away from Mama. He's running away from Mama. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, that went boom. Go see Brody.